Welcome back to Katia's Buzz. This week I'm going to show you how to use Canva, particularly to do YouTube thumbnails, but this is an incredible platform where you can design just about anything in a flash. Once you get in your browser, go to canva.com and this is their homepage. Now, if you haven't signed up, you need to sign up either through Google, Facebook, or an email. You just do what you need to do to set yourself up. Then you go to login, you put your email and password, boom, you log in and you're into Canva. There are two types of Canva, the free version and the pro version. Some of the items you'll see there are for pros. However, if you're a student or a charity, you can use the pro version for free. So don't hesitate to sign up if you are one or the other, because that's really a lot of extra tools that you can use. So take advantage of it. All right, so on the side here, under your name, you will have your own items. So if you just started, you won't have anything yet, but you have all your design, all your folders. You'll start building this a little bit later on. You have a lot of the things available visually. If you go here, what will you design? There are things for you: presentations, social media, video, print products, marketing, office, and more. And you can do just about anything with Canva. I mean, you'll see through the platform, there is no end to the possibilities. You can look on top here. From home, you have templates, and that gives you a pretty good idea of what's available. I mean, look at this: Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, LinkedIn banners. In this particular video, like I said, we're going to do our YouTube thumbnail. So you can look at all of this stuff here and click on different things, or you can use the search, which is also awesome. You click you and you will see everything related to YouTube will appear. So you have YouTube channel art, YouTube channel logo, YouTube display ad, YouTube thumbnail, ba-boom, and YouTube video ad. So we're gonna go into YouTube thumbnail because that's what we're looking for, and voila, you can see already, it's already sized for you. It has everything you could imagine. So let's look a little bit visually at what they have to offer. If you like this video, please take a second, subscribe to Katia's Buzz, like this video, and come back next week. All right, so I like this one. I see a couple of things here. Now, if you look on the side under filters, you can choose your template by style. So you either like the modern look, the minimalist look, you want it simple, you want it elegant, and of course it eliminates some of those templates as you click. You could also look between the themes. So do you want it to be on YouTube, you want it to be on fashion, and it updates this portion as you click around, and so you can narrow down your search and look for exactly what you're looking for, and that really helps a lot because there's just so much available there. If you look here, free and pro, if you pay attention, let's say I wanted to use this template. You see it has a little crown and it says pro. Well, unfortunately, if you have a free account, you wouldn't be able to use that template just because it's specifically for the ones who pay for a subscription. So you just have to decide if you want to use this template, and if you decide that that's really the one you want, you click on use the template, and you can try it for free for 30 days. If that's something you're going to use for a longer period of time, just sign up for Canva, but otherwise you just stick to the free versions. And so if you want to look more at the free ones, you see it says paid, 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 and this free, 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 paid. So just make sure if you're on a free version that you only use the templates that are free, otherwise they will ask you to pay for your account. As you can see, you can also like a design if you're interested in something particular. So you can just browse and like for later. Then you can go to your likes and you will see them appear here. So let's say, for example, the Yard Bandit. There are two versions. I'm going to look for this one. So this is a free template, so I can use this template. So now that we're here, I'm going to just modify it to fit my needs. but it gives me a pretty good start here. So I don't want these guys here. I'm going to go to the sides. You see it says templates, where you can see all the templates on the side. You have elements, where you can get graphics, shapes, photos, videos, audio, charts, frames, grids, anything you're looking for. Text, which is some particular text, so I could, bring this again. You see that it says pro on some of them, free. So you just drag things into your design as you go. Now, I'm going to upload certain items I've already prepared, but if you want to upload here, you can either record yourself or you can go to upload media, and then you go into your computer and you upload whatever graphic you want. Instead of using those two men that I don't know in the picture, you want it to be personalized, so I'm gonna drag a picture of myself. So I already brought one in. I'm gonna take this, and as you see, it brings it instead of that. It takes care of everything for me. I don't need to create a mask. I don't need to do the shape. It goes straight into that location. So then I'm gonna double click on it and I'm going to move it around. You see how it immediately goes where I want it to go? I could also make it larger. I could bring it here. Okay, boom. So my picture is there. Then I'm going to do design YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it fits. Okay, I'm going to move it slightly over here. Super easy. I'm going to change this to youtube.com/KatiasBuzzTV, and I'm going to bring in the logo. Since we're using Canva, I'm going to put it here. I can move everything. I can change this here. I can change this here. As you can see, I can move everything around. I can animate. Now, if I wanted to make a video, I can animate these graphics and make them move in any which way. That's not going to help us with the YouTube thumbnail. This is really something you want to spend some time. You want to look at everything that's available. Once we're done with our graphic, we're going to go to download, and it gives you suggestions. It gives you size suggestions. You can save the download settings. It says PNG, but you could do JPEG, you could do PDF, you could do PDF print, you could do MPEG for video, or a GIF. We're going to do the PNG, which is suggested. We're going to download the graphic, and it already brought it into my computer, and we have it. So from there on, all you have to do is once you upload your video on YouTube, boom, you just go to thumbnail, you bring this in, and that will be your thumbnail. Now, how long did that take us? I'd say about 5 minutes. The harder part is going to look for the template you're looking for and upload your content and make sure it says what you want it to say, and bim, bam, boom. To tell you the truth, it became a lot easier to use than doing it yourself on Photoshop or Illustrator, because it gives you a lot of tools yet that you wouldn't have. And so I really recommend you dive into Canva, check out the things it provides for you. In the comment below, let me know what you think on Canva, and if you can compare it to Photoshop and Illustrator, and let me know if you think it actually saves you a lot of time to put something together. I hope that you will come back to Katia's Buzz. I put video tutorials like this one every week about different things that help you with graphic design, YouTube content, anything you could imagine. If you learned something new today, please take a second, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you come back next week for another video tutorial on something to help you with graphic design, production, anything that's marketing related. I will see you next week. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Bye-bye.